Oh my gosh. It's the Lady and the Tramp. Okay, Sherry Noodle. Oh, I'm just trying to get a better angle. Have some noodle. What do you got to say? I knew you were gonna stretch. I never thought this would happen, BB. Did you? I always wanted to see how BB would be around other birds, but I never really had the opportunity. So this is really exciting. Let's take a break and enjoy a beautiful desert sunset. And I want to show you the new glow-in-the-dark guinea pig earrings. It's not even that dark in here, but wow, look how cool that is. I just charged these up with the flashlight on my phone for like 10 seconds, and they are glowing. This is not a black light, this is actually, these glow in the dark.
Well, that's right, Scotty. They do glow in the dark, and they're made with 100% plant-based resin.
And there's only a couple pair right now. These are prototypes. So if these are popular, then I'll be working with the artist to do a full production line of glow-in-the-dark piggies. Let me turn my flash on and we can see what they look like in the light. So here you can see what these piggies look like in the light. They're glittery and shiny, and the mold is really good looking. So let's switch it back to the dark now. We can see them glow again. Man, that is so cool. And I can tell you, these things glow really well when it's really dark. And it's not even that dark in here, as you can see. It's not even that dark in here. I just drew the blinds, but it's the middle of the day. These things are glowing like crazy. They're going to be great in all sorts of fun situations. So I'm really proud and excited to have these on my Etsy shop. And you can't find these anywhere else. I'm working with a local artist to make these custom for Scotty's animals, and they're exclusive. You can't get them anywhere else. So, and when these are gone, these are gone. Each pair is completely 100% handmade and unique. So no two pair are exactly alike.
It's a seed party. I can spy on them from my room. That's why this house is so much fun.
Galaxy is such a little water baby. She will stick her head in a glass of water that you're drinking. She will jump into any little cup or bowl that's filled with anything. She is just so funny and sweet. And it was pretty hot this past week that she was here, so we made sure to have lots of pool time. She just jumps right in too. Claire warned me, but it was fun to see her in action. I love that bird. Hey, let's take a quick break and we'll be right back. Galaxy, 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 galaxy.
He's BBB, BBB. And she is Galaxy, and he is BBB.
Galaxy, galaxy. Well, it's time for Galaxy to go home. No, BB. You're supposed to say, no, I love her. Did you have fun with her? BB. Did you have fun with her? It was nice having another bird in the house, wasn't it, for a change? I've been wanting to see how BB was around other birds for a long time. And when I finally got this opportunity with Galaxy, I welcomed it. But this first few minutes, when they were together, it had me kind of worried. BB showed some initial enthusiasm, and Galaxy was kind of like, get out of my face. And I didn't know how they were going to get along. I didn't know if they actually had a potential to hurt each other. But after a while, they did form an understanding. What if I give you both? We never have another bird in the house, BB. Gonna miss her? BB. You gonna miss her? You love her. Well, I don't know if he loves her, but they did tolerate each other to a degree, to a distance. From a distance. At a distance. Right, Galaxy? Okay, well, we gotta get there. You guys enjoy your last few minutes together. I gotta finish filling these water bottles. Well, I volunteered to be Galaxy's godfather, and she is welcome here anytime. It was a pleasure having her. She's quite the wild, crazy bird, and we love her. Oh, I thought you were going to give her a kiss goodbye. Go back there. You tell her. You tell her. Say, it was lovely having you here. Galaxy, it was lovely. Tell her. Don't be shy, BB.